Today we will discuss about change of states. Water is the most common liquid known to exist in all the three physical states of matter. However, it's not just water. Nearly all the substances are known to exist as solids, liquid and gas. Even iron can melt and boil, and same is the case with oxygen. These states can be interchanged by heating or cooling. The process of changing a solid into a liquid is known as melting, and boiling deals with the change of liquid into gas. But the question is, why one state changes to other? By the end of this lecture, you would be able to answer it. Let's see what happens during melting. The particles of solid have very strong forces of attraction and very low kinetic energy, due to which they can only vibrate about their fixed positions. When a solid is heated, its particles gain kinetic energy, vibrational motion increases and attractive forces become weaker, and the particles leave their fixed positions. Thus, on heating, a solid changes into liquid. The temperature at which this change takes place is known as melting point. Similarly, during boiling, when a liquid is heated, its particles gain more kinetic energy, attractive forces become much weaker, the particles move faster and bounce apart. Hence, a liquid changes into a gas on heating. And the temperature at which this change takes place is known as boiling point. We know that different substances have different values of melting and boiling point. In order to predict such values, we must know that the amount of heat needed to melt or boil a substance depends on the nature of attractive forces present between them. Hence, stronger the attractive forces, more heat will be needed to overcome the attractive forces, and higher will be the melting and boiling point. So far, we have discussed how heating affects the change of states. However, we can reverse all those changes by cooling. When a gas is cooled, the particles lose their kinetic energy and the attractive forces start developing between them, causing the particles to stay closer and form a liquid. This change from a gas to liquid is known as condensation. On further cooling, the liquid changes to solid, and this process is known as freezing. All these states can be interconverted by heating or cooling. The change of solid to liquid on heating is known as melting. The change of liquid to gas at all temperatures is known as evaporation. The conversion of solid to a gas directly without passing through the liquid state on heating is called sublimation. On the contrary, cooling of a gas directly to solid is called deposition. Similarly, conversion of a gas to liquid on cooling is known as condensation, and liquid freezes to solid on cooling. I hope you have got all the answers related to the topic. Thank you.